car on. Let's just start debubbling. Alright, you should see the bubbling in there. You can see how that little hose in the jar is taking in air. Okay. And there's the jar. That little black knob on the left is where the bubbler is. The hose on the right is where I was getting my leaks. That's stalled. Okay, I got the wires and hose and all that going up. I got the wires right there. I got to redo those. They're going to the fuse box. And then I got the one hose, that new one there. Twice. Oops, gotta go. Slice into a T right there. It's the only one I have. I can have another one into that hole down right there, but I haven't done it yet. I can also add a couple more jars. I got room for multi-cell setup if I need to go that way. I'll tell you something. I did get more power. I'm starting to be a believer, but I hadn't done the miles per gallon yet. So stay tuned. Adios.